you gotta throw the fucking out of there. It's gotta be.
Talking shit with Eagle.
Yep, I'm fucking talking shit with Eagle.
I'm Spartan Grown. I'm fucking talking shit with fucking Eagle Gardens 1.
There you go. I think it would be
hanging out and fucking talking shit with Eagle Gardens. Don't miss it. 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time.
because I'm trying to get everybody to do it so far.
Oh, what do you want?
I want the soundbite. Where you at? What are you doing tonight?
Oh, I'm fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Thank you, sir. Sooner or later, I'm gonna. This is episode 16, and they're fucking steamrolling, brother. I try to get all my guests to, spit out one time, that soundbite in case I ever get that big to where I can do 100 episodes, dude, and I can string them all together. Where are you at tonight, and what are you doing, Lost Leaf? Can you give me that soundbite?
Where am I at? What am I doing? In my facility. I just got done doing a foliar spray with my trusty little paint sprayer, spraying some silica foliar spray on my veg plants. And
No, brother. No. My soundbite. What are you doing right now, and what show are you on?
oh fuck, Jesus Christ! I'm sorry, man. I'm big. I am fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Later, these shows are piling up, and if I get to 50, I might do radio sound type shit things. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Where are you tonight, and what the fuck are you doing?
Oh man, we're out here in Denver. It is now 11:38, hanging out with my boy Eagle, bro. And we're just,
What are you doing though? What's the name of this fucking show? What are you doing?
This is the psychedelic talk. We're diving deep into the psyche of each and every one, and we're going to share and spread the knowledge of what sacred mushrooms do.
On the fucking talking shit with Eagle show. That's the part that I was like. I was trying to get to everybody to at least throw that. I'm on the fucking talking shit with Eagle show. Give me that.
I'm a shitbag, man. Let me, so, I'm on the, now you put me on the spot, dude. Now you got me. All right.
I do it to everybody. Don't feel bad. This happens every night.
Talking shit with Eagle. How is it talking shit with Eagle?
I'll take it. Fucking talking shit with Eagle.
I'm looking at the bar on the Zoom, and it's not what that says, but fucking talking shit with Eagle, yo.
That's because I had to kill.
Candace Trooper. I'm on Instagram. Don't have a YouTube page set up, but hopefully in the future we'll get that going. And that's pretty much what I'm on right now for the social media. Again, Candace Trooper Cultivations for consultations, solutions, and I have a little slogan about grind that green.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love it. I gotta work out my setup, brother. I gotta fucking work out my setup.
Yeah.
What I'm looking for is the sound bites for when I mix the show together, and it's more like I am Eagle Gardens and I am on fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Yeah, I gotcha. Okay.
That's what I'm looking for, brother.
Gotcha. Okay, here we go. Yep. I'm Candace Trooper, and I'm on Talking Shit with Eagle Gardens.
Thank you, brother. That's exactly.
My name's Father Mike. I'm a cannabis grower, and I'm here tonight with Eagle Garden on his show, Talking Fucking Shit with Eagle Gardens. And you tune in, because this is show, I do believe, 30.
Yes.
Show 30.
Show 30.
And I'm very honored to be here as his 30th show, and here with these great people in chat. God bless you all. And growing, please grow, overgrow the earth, and join us, because when we do harvest this Subcool Victory Garden, we are going to have a party that you will not forget. And I'm going to talk Ruby into getting back on the air. Thank you, Eagle, for having me. And God bless everybody. Stay safe. Warm.
Pass me that joint. Exactly. Give me that whole spiel. That's exactly what I want.
I'm Boom Farms, and tonight I'm fucking talking shit with Eagle Gardens.
God damn, I'm saying.
Okay. How do I want to put this? All right, I won't overthink it. Hi, this is Keith from Black Sail Market, and we're having a blast hanging out here on Eagle Gardens. Fucking talking shit with Eagle.
God, perfect, brother. That was fucking perfect.
What's going down, family? This is Jinx Proof from Jinx Proof Genetics, chilling here with Eagle. I'm talking shit with Eagle Grows. Tune in, check it out. Hope you all have a great day.
Thank you, my friend.
Okay, so I'm when you're ready.
I'm ready whenever you are.
Alright, hey guys, Santa Queen here. Fucking talking shit with Eagle. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I am so just beside myself that I got to do the show, and it was awesome, and thanks for joining us.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Good.
This is Joel from North Star. We're fucking talking shit with Eagle today, so keep your ears peeled, keep your eyes peeled, check it out.
So, this is Hota swinging to you those fantastic stories on fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Thank you.
This is Kenny's Genetics.
Mrs. Kineos Genetics, coming at you live from the fucking Talking Shit with Eagle show.
I don't think it could have got any better.
Yeah, this is Daniel Montero, GW Smoke Break, kicking it with Eagle Gardens.
Yes, sir.
Alright, this is Mountain Grower talking shit with Eagle Gardens.
Thank you, sir. What's going on, guys? This is Dirtman Dan. I'm here talking fucking shit with Eagle Gardens, and we're kicking it with some organic talk.
Gotcha, okay. All right, you are seeing Miss Nudie Grows here talking shit with Eagle Gardens, and we just had the most lit night. I feel already connected to you, brother, and you're A-okay.
Pedro's Grow Room, and I'm on with hang on, let me try to get. This is Pedro's Grow Room, and I'm on talking shit with Eagle Gardens. What's that? All right.
This is Dizzy Grower, and I'm here with Eagle Gardens, and I'm talking shit with Eagle.
Today was a twofer. Awesome. Hell yeah.
And I guess I'll let people know where they can get a hold of me to get some more info. Awesome. Alright. Well, this is Glorious Genetics, and we're fucking talking shit with Eagle Gardens. Oh, yeah.
Josh Gover, I'm the Michigan Cannabis Defender with the Michigan Cannabis Lawyers, and I'm on Talking Shit with Eagle. I got the name of the wrong, right? What's the whole name of your show?
Fucking talking shit
Fucking
with
talking
Eagle.
shit with Eagle. Okay. Yeah, I can do it again here. This is Josh Gover, the Michigan Cannabis Lawyers and the Michigan Cannabis Defender, and I'm on here on the fucking Talking Shit show with Eagle.
Nice.
we go.
Thank you, sir.
Boom, no problem.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
This is Green 13, and I'm talking fucking shit with Eagle Gardens.
Thank you, sir. Fuck
Is
yeah.
that?
Just go. You ready for me?
Yeah. Anytime you're ready, bro.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy, Dr. Buswell, on fucking talking shit with. Oh gosh. Cut. Roll it back. Fucking talking shit with Eagle, right?
Right.
Fucking talking shit with Eagle. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy, Dr. Buswell, on talking shit with
One more. No.
I was stoned. This is great. What's up, everyone? It's your boy Dr. Buzzwell. I'm fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Bam. Thank you.
Alright. This is most hated grower here. Smoking with the Eagle.
On what? What show you on, brother? You gotta start over.
Eagle Garden, huh?
You gotta give me the whole sound bite. You fucking
The whole
alright?
part?
Just like this, one time, so I can have a good clean one. All right. This is most hated grower, and I'm on fucking talking shit with Eagle. You can put anything you want in between. I don't give a fuck what you put on, but I gotta at least have that.
Alright. This is most hated grower here. Fucking talk. Wow.
That's
Nah.
all right. Third time's a charm. The other night it took 4 before then you got me a good one.
Alright. Most hated grower here on fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Fucking nailed it. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate that.
I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready.
Whenever you're ready, girl.
Okay, this is Mrs. D's Nuts, and I'm fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Hell,
Cheers, you all.
I appreciate that. That was
For sure,
perfect.
I'll be back. I practice, but I'll be back. I'll be back as soon as my camera's
You
come
get
in.
you get an extra one. Will you give me the other one too? Cause it's a double episode. You were on the fucking talking shit episode, but this is also.
Miss D's Nuts, right? We was on the fucking talking shit with Miss D's Nuts.
Do I get to do a soundbite?
Right, you get to do a
I'm
soundbite.
Eagle Gardens. And I've been on talking shit with fucking Miss D's Nuts.
I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready.
Whenever you're ready, girl.
Okay, this is Mrs. D's Nuts, and I'm fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Hell,
Cheers, you all.
I appreciate that. That was
For sure,
perfect.
I'll be back. I practice, but I'll be back. I'll be back as soon as my camera's come in.
You get an extra one. Will you give me the other one too? Cause it's a double episode. You were on the fucking talking shit episode, but this is also.
Miss D's Nuts, right? We was on the fucking talking shit with Miss D's Nuts.
Do I get to do a soundbite?
Right, you get to do a
I'm
soundbite.
Eagle Gardens. And I've been on talking shit with fucking Miss D's Nuts. Soundbite, please.
Hey, this is Danny Danko, and you're listening to Fucking Talking Shit with Eagle.
Yeah, first one too.
First
They
talking
even had. It's fucking talking shit with
Fucking
Eagle,
talking-
but I'm taking it.
Take one?
Taking it.
I can do more. I'll do more. if you
I'll
want.
take another one if you want to do it.
Hey, this is Danny Danko, and you're listening to Fucking Talking Shit with Eagle.
Thank you. That's awesome, man. I appreciate that. I'm hoping to, right, like I said, around 100, I'm gonna fucking just like.
Get your bowls, your bongs, your pipes, your vaporizers, your big fat blunts. It's time to get high with a SoCal weed nerd. Because we're here talking fucking shit with Eagle Gardens.
So this is Medically Fit on talking shit. Or wait, it's fucking talking shit, right?
Yep,
See, I gotta
fucking
get that
talking
right.
shit with Eagle,
Yeah. Okay. Soundbite 2. Here we go. Hey, it's Medically Fit on fucking talking shit with Eagle Guard.
Wait, oh shit, I forgot how it goes.
What?
This soundbite, oh my god.
You forgot your name and you forgot what your show your dad's on?
Oh. Okay. This is Lexi, and I'm on the talking shit with Eagle for once. You guys finally got the content you guys wanted.
There you go.
You know what? Since I've got them on it, I'm gonna hit record. Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Anytime you're ready, bro.
Well, this is weed smoking for you. We got high as fuck. We learned how to grow some weed in water. It was fun. I'm talking shit with Eagle.
Anytime you're ready, I'll take that soundbite, brother.
What's up, guys? This is Mr. Bond 420. I'm out here talking fucking shit with Eagle. Come join us anytime. Enjoy.
And I'm on Talking Shit with Eagle.
Take two.
Right? I'm on fucking Talking Shit with Eagle.
There you go. Take two.
Okay. Hey. All right. Hey, this is Misty, the Mystic Grower, and I'm on fucking Talking Shit with Eagle.
You got it the second.
Is that it? Right?
Yeah. Hey, this is Kevin Jodry. I'm talking shit with Eagle.
Thank you.
Alright. This is Purple Thumb OG, and you are talking shit with Eagle Gardens.
Okay.
You like it?
You forgot the fucking, man.
Did I?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is Purple Thumb OG, and this is fucking talking shit with Eagle.
Perfect. Well, yep, go ahead.
Alright. Skorkowski over here, talking shit with Eagle. Make sure you like and subscribe. Watch this episode.
Take two, brother. You forgot to swear, brother. You gotta, I mean, you got the accent there.
Oh, this is fucking talking shit? Yeah.
I know you're not afraid of that fucking word. If you could just, you know.
Oh, dude, no, that's second word, bro. You know. Alright. Skorkowski here, fucking talking shit with Eagle. Make sure you like and subscribe. Watch the episode.
Thank you. You didn't have to throw the like and subscribe on there, but I appreciate that for sure.
I'm Breeder Steve. Thank you for listening to the fucking Talking Shit with Eagle show.
Hell yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We lost sleep about the same way, so we didn't quite get the sound back. But once you said it, I get it. You were like, this is Loki Grow. You've been watching Talking Shit with Eagle Garden. We'll smoke with you later.
This is Dung Beetle 420, and I'm on fucking Talking Shit with Eagle.
What's up, everyone? This is Jack Greenstock, and I'm on fucking Talking Shit with Eagle Gardens.
So you know what I need. Can you just give me the sound bite without having to do this long pitch? I love the long pitch. I love the build up, but everybody else says that shit's way too long. So. Can I have my pitch there? So,
yeah, this is the majestic Mystic Marks fucking talking shit with Eagle.
That's basically it.
Okay. Okay. Here it goes. This is Indra, and I'm on Talking Shit with Eagle.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so yeah, this is Leon off purpose, man. I'm on fucking talking shit, man. So yeah, we here just vibing, just having a good time talking about weed, smoking and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, man, thank you guys for tuning in. Big up on yourself, one love, and may God bless and keep all around. Yeah, man.
So the kind of, are you got it recorded or you recorded it? I'm recording something.
You can record. Alright. You ready? Hi, this is Eagle Gardens. And this is fucking Talking Shit with Eagle. And tonight, I took a nap. Alright. Alright. You ready? This is Eagle Gardens. And, oh man. Take three.
Take three.
This is Eagle Gardens, and tonight I'm fucking talking shit with Eagle. I took a nap.
Now, do you think that would have been here to
be that fucking sound like what you brought?
This is Josh LaCroix here on fucking Talking Shit with Eagle Radio.
Alright, ready? Hi, this is Prometheus Doyle, and I am talking fucking shit with Eagle on Eagle Gardens on Instagram and YouTube, and he is bringing the fire tonight.
soundbite for your average.
Hey, hi you guys. I'm Mila, and I'm just having such a great time talking here with this fucking eagle. Man, he's a guy. You gotta meet him. You gotta listen to this guy. Anyway, until next time, I love you all. Mwah.
That was fucking talking shit with Eagle.
So, hi, I'm Fish Queen, and I'm fucking talking shit with the Eagle.
That's good.
This is Twisted Roots on fucking talking shit with Eagle. Late night, 11:30, Eagle Gardens. Be here or be square.
Guys, this is Faded Farmer. We're live, fucking talking shit with Eagle. Thanks for having me on. I love you, man. Appreciate your time, your knowledge, everything. One love. Fucking talking shit.
Hell yeah, that's pretty.
We're Lemonati Family Farms, and we're fucking talking shit with Eagle. You know, so we'll, on three. All right. This is Alex,
Matt, and Ryan.
and we're Lemonati Family Farms, and we're talking fucking shit with Eagle.
We fucked it up. So far off.
So far off. So sorry.
What's the middle part? What was the middle? We're from. Are we saying we're from Lemon? Let's just say this is Alex, Matt. We are Lemonati, and we're fucking talking shit with Eagle Gardens.
Way easier.
All right, start it off, Alex. Count them down.
All right. This is Alex,
Matt,
Ryan. We are Lemonati Family Farms, and we're fucking
talking shit with Eagle.
It wasn't everybody.
Endo Farm 11 on Instagram at Endo Farm 11. The backup account is at Endo Farm 1. You can hit me up, DM me there anytime if you're looking for seeds, you're looking for advice, or you just want to follow my account. It is private, but I will add you if you're cool. And outside of that, you know, I'll give out, I'm not going to give out my email address or nothing like that right now, but I had a fucking blast, and this is ya boy, Endo Farm, talking shit with my boy at Eagle Gardens, and it's been a fucking blast. And please, everyone, remember that we were both on psilocybin during this episode. So shout out to Eagle Gardens. That's been fun.
Hey, all you motherfuckers out there, this is fucking talking shit with Eagle. Episode 101 featuring me right up again, Tim. Keep coming back.
Yeah, totally. I'm Jacob from Flower Days Farm, and I had a great time fucking talking shit with Eagle. Come back and check out the episode, and yeah, check out future episodes. We had a great time.
Okay.
This is Stabby, and I'm here talking shit with Eagle Gardens. Check it out every night, late as fuck. Stay up, have a chat. Check it out.